Sometimes they so bad when I'm reasoning about my youth. Zumek wari area, see my one. Before God am I. Let me ask you people question. Are you fighting for your state or you are fighting for yourself? Are you trying to make your state have good electricity, good pipe-borne water, good road, or you want to enrich your pocket? Are you fighting for your country to be conducive, or you are fighting for yourself? It's a question. Why are we trying to sideline the truth? We don't remember the truth again. Truth is bitter, but it's easy to say. Let me your ear. All the times of time when I talk, when I'm talking, I'll say, let me your ear. Do you see that the calamity that is happening to Tony Kabaka today? He has defied God. He's fighting for only their hereditary in their pocket, in their family, in himself. Not their originator family, in his own political guru family. They are not fighting for Edo State. Before God and man, you see the noise maker that is in Europe and in America. They lax, what did they call him? Uranomigo. Uranomigo did not mean well for Tony Kabaka. Tony, you are my brother. You are my friend. We grew up together in the street. We know each other when I was with Chafarala of Benin. Uranomigo want to eradicate your life. Uranomigo is a destroyer. Uranomigo does not mean well for you. It's not Uranomigo, it's Uranomi block. Uranomigo deceive Omoyele Sowore in my presence, in my eyesore. I witness it and we communicate together. Uranomigo that you are looking so. Omandano, I will not abuse his family. I'm not a man that come to social media to say your father Ogun Agbe, as all those Benin media people they talk. Ogun Agbe, Ogun Agbe, Ogun Agbe you know well, your children go die for your face. I will not castigate what my father did to me, to use it to did it to for another person's father. Uranomigo did not mean well for you. Tony, you're supposed to realize your mistake at this present time. You are kicking against your leg. Give me an example now that what have Obaseki did to you now that is making you to be nagging. Because you know bring Agbelu again. Because you say no man is God, no only one person they chop. Listen to me. It is not about quarrel. Lend me your ear. Learn how to know that somebody that wants you to die will already be digging pit for you to fall upon it. And when you fall on it, it will still be patronizing you to cover it by yourself. Uranomigo is not a good man. Uranomigo betrayed us. Uranomigo collected money from the diaspora, from everybody, and changed his pattern again. Uranomigo is not a good man. It's an incarnate. It's a devil workshop. Tony, you have gained the politics. You have acquired property. Why did you want to just to use what you have used your hand to work for and use your leg to scatter around? Because of ordinary hood laws, when it not mean well for you. Kabaka himself, the comrade, listen to me. I'm telling you the truth. Don't allow them to advise you to fight the 3G. God, government, gun. They have power. If you are fighting for the masses now, we will have time to join you and fight. Not by fighting for your pocket. Fighting for your EPM. Fighting for the people that know me well for Edo State. Fighting for the people that want to destroy Edo State. Has this governor, I'm not a member of APC. I was a member. When Goodluck Jonathan PDP era come, they were not doing well. We all fight. I use my instrument to fight for APC when Oshomole come on board. On the long run, Adam Aliu promised us that there will not be godfatherism. That is what I'm fighting for. That is what I will still fight for till I die. Even though they blow me any day, any time. God Almighty know that I will fight for my state. Tony, lend me your ear. Don't listen to that coward. Do you remember one day you were eating food inside your parlor? You say, don't mind Oranomigo. You go to Italy, Oranomigo call Igbalegbenue. You go to do this, go to do that. If Oranomigo come, you go skin her. You go pull his skin alive. But today, the same man that have destroyed you is still patronizing you to be destroying your properties. And you are using your hand to destroy what God have given to you. Forget about say you be tout. You fail do agbelo work. My father tell me say na where man dey work na in the chop. As far God don't bless you, this government tell you say they no need any kind of that thing. Say it what make the civil servant dey happy, make the church dey grow, make the everybody when dey the church get different things. Why are you trying to intoxicate yourself with power when you no go fit fight? You cannot fight government. If you are fighting government, like say as Fulani Asme come now, as they kill everybody, say make government give you that power. Say you go drive the comot for Edo State. I will be very happy. Not that you are telling me about EPM. People that want to destroy Edo State. People that did not mean well for Edo State. Have you just sit down, sleep, reason? I think they cry now, say they don't give you muta. Say 18 million. Now you go pay. You go pay them. But you have to beg for forgiveness. You have already fucked up. You don't already disgrace yourself. I know not be your fault. Now your bad advisor. All those them Emmanuel Bogun. All those them Shaba. You see Shaba now. You don't see Osakama no more less. They come media. They shout. Now only you did. Now you be the EPM. Now you want even contest. Why are you crying for the headache of another man? Why can't you manage what God have given to you? Tony, let me tell you one word. This Nogo Ase Obaseki, I'm not a member. I've never spoke with him since he entered power. That is that day when Oshomole come for my town. When I carry microphone, tell Oshomole say, Baba, you fuck up. I must still call him Baba. Baba, you fuck up. Do you know why I tell her say Baba, you fuck up? Because waiting promise us, we won't fight for her. He no do one. That is the day I hesitate myself. I say that man is a coward. Because Oshomole tell us say no man is God. I cannot abuse Oshomole mother. I cannot abuse Oshomole father. I cannot abuse Oshomole brother. Oshomole is the one that is causing problem to you, and that man when they America when betrayed Omoyele Sowore. Let me give you some reason. Let me your ear. You are my brother. No matter the case, I'm not afraid of you. You are not afraid of me. No man is God. Let me give you some reason about that idiot. That useless man. If that man get power first now, that man went to America, where they call Oranomi Block, Oranomi son, that idiot, when he betrayed us. Let him come to Nigeria and fight for his country. Nobody be making noise in America, shouting like a television when no clear. Do you know that man? Na fire when they hot, now they put hand. Do you know how he betrayed many people? Even his own family betrayed him. Why are you now listening to that man that want to give you to FBI, that want to destroy your character when you were working? Do you know that man mentioned a statement that if Obaseki no destroy you, say he go quarrel with Obaseki? Is that man you are dancing around Bako with now? See Matana, he don't rise. You cannot fight government. If you are fighting for Edo State now, we will join you a fight. Not that you are fighting for your pocket and their pocket. If to say na water you dey fight for, say they no bring water now, we all the whole Edo State machine, we go join you fight the government. If they don't bring lights for us, now you dey fight now, we the Edo State machine go join you fight am. If they no dey pay teachers, we go join you fight am. If the civil servants are not enjoying, we go join you fight am. What are you fighting for? Oshomole, you are now telling say it's your method, it's your godfather, it's your party. Are you the owner of APC? Are you the one that created APC? People that created APC is no longer there. People that is not even understand APC, they are the one that is enjoying the APC, which is Aboki People's Congress now, which is former ACN. ACN, I mean. Today you want to die and use your hand to destroy what you have labored for. You suffer. It's not easy to become a tout and make a money inside. People die in that scenario where you make money. I'm telling you the truth. Tony, tell that man to leave you alone. Tell the EPM that they have to work with the recent governor. Fire when they hot, neither they put hand. If this governor come out, another governor go come. If this one no favor you, another one will favor you. Now only you go the favor. Now only you dey. You don't see your sakwa no molest. You don't see your sakwa no molest. When we say you get money pass you, you no reach palm when they wear. You don't see I say they make noise. If you sakwa no molest follow na go there that day. No see sakwa no say the pesh, because that man no say no one take in hand destroy waiting take him body collect. You no one take him leg scatter am. You know they listen. You are a good man. You even share past the rest. Go and work with your brother. Beg your brother for forgiveness. Don't listen to them. This the same Shomole you are dying for now, that carried our mother food, he take leg scatter am. He say, even though you be widow, call when give you money, we know you has money. Government will. Then that man in America, we betrayed Omoyele Sowore. We be very happy that thank God. Swear when I swear for her, don't catch her. Tell her say he no be your God. Let me tell you about that man. Let me give you some reason whereby you will be knowing that that man is a coward. That man did not mean well for Edo State. If you are a good critic, don't leave your country. Fight for your country. Gani Fawahimi, even though he come out, he go come in country, he go come fight. Late King Saro Wiwa, he come fight. The kill. Say he get mad, may he come Edo State, come talk truth or come talk lie. That man is an idiot. That man did not mean well for you. You have to leave Obaseki alone. He's trying. I'm not a member of his party. I don't even want Obaseki to come and greet me. I don't need him. What I need for my state to be all right. If my state is all right, I'm all right. If water is in my state, my family will drink in the water. If good road, accident will not be happening. That is what I'm fighting for. If civil servants are enjoying, everybody will be all right. That is what I'm fighting for. I want to tell you one thing. Oranomigo is a coward. Oranomigo is a liar. May I tell you one word? I'm an Esa Northeast man. Person buy motor after they don't do election finish of Buhari recently. Person come buy motor. I can mention the person name. He can't give Oranomigo, make it bring a come Esa Northeast for AAC, may we take campaign. Oranomigo sees the motto. Otina, we no see the motto. Otina, Oranomigo no call us again. Oranomigo tell me say I go carry trailer. May I take campaign for AAC. After campaign finish up, but the old trailer is about 170,000. Do you know what how much Oranomigo bring for me after more stress? And they tell Oranomigo say, Oranomigo, I don't see money. Oh. He can't manage, give me 50,000 naira. Before he give me, already the trailer man don't abuse me tire. Now that man you want die for. That man will not even mean well for his family. If his Oranomigo get mind now, as this coronavirus come, how many bag of fries Oranomigo don't bring from Ronigbe in village? Whether I don't know in village. How many tin tomatoes Oranomigo don't bring for a village? Don't destroy your property by yourself. Don't allow hoodlocks to destroy your property. Oranomigo does not mean well for you. Oranomigo is a stupid man. Go and beg your brother. Kneel down. There is no case to answer. If you offend your brother, tell your brother sorry. If you are fighting the Fulani herdsmen now, Obaseki no listen to you. I will be very happy to tell Obaseki say, Owan, Uma here, you no try. If you are fighting Obaseki right now, say Obaseki no repair Ogbe Stadium. Obaseki no dey pay teachers. Obaseki no make Edo State better. I will be very happy. Know that your family. Osaje Eze Yamu, when Oshomole stood up in our present, it's in the media, tell us he's a thief. He pour acid for person body. Say he cannot govern in those states. Say if he govern in those states, and you dey there that very day when Oshomole were saying this thing, you did not challenge your box. On the long run now, is the one that you are clapping for. Is the one that you want to bring to Edo State. Ah, Tony, man, brother man, cool down, man. Hustle your life. Leave those idiots. You are a great man. I could remember when I met you in Doki Place at Ekpoma. I know why you do something. You make everybody happy. You make everybody conducive. You spread money. You make all of us. I will sit and say, this is kind of my man. Why did you want to destroy your home because of greediness? What shall it profit a man and get the whole world and lose his soul? Government have given you muta. You cannot fight them. If you are fighting government and government does not repair the state now, we all go to quarrel with government. We cannot quarrel with government because you want to gain the whole world and lose your soul. And it's not good. Oh man, Amagba, Tony, my brother. You know that day when I first talk to you, I know they quit talk. Father, as I saw those days, you never. I want you to realize when I tell them say they go destroy your hotel, they tell me say na lie. Say Tony, when be this, when be that. In those days when men were men, people fight and defeat them. Body is weak. Children don't they pass you. Not be only you dey. As you fed the 3 children, children don't they grow. They don't get wisdom pass you. That is why my father one prayer go say, now my pikin go pass me. It's a proverb. And it's a truthful word. Say, wetin I do na small. My pikin go do the one wey pass me. Not be only you there do state. As God don't bless you, you have made money. Stick to what you have. And respect yourself. People will carry you up. Don't be downgrading yourself. Obaseki have never committed an havoc that you people will be calling me a sort of name. Obaseki is even better than Oshomole. Quote me wrong or quote me right. I will still tell you how. When Oshomole was in power, he was intoxicated. He was dancing Arabako, scandalizing Edo State money, borrowing money from year to year. But today, when Obaseki come, Obaseki say, if we dey share the money like that, some people no go chop. Nothing go remain for company. Obaseki say, let us manage. Yes, I get many civil servants and pensioners for Edo State. Among of the whole 36 states in Nigeria, Obaseki does not play with pensioners. You have to clap for him. The whole 36 states in Nigeria, Obaseki does not play with the teachers. which teach you how to read and write, which taught you English, which make the pastor to be prophesizing. He does not play with them. He paid them before the month end. So you have to clap for that man. Work with him. There are many jobs. Even though you are not working, government can pay you if you are a member of the company. Don't allow Uranomigo to destroy you. Uranomigo Uranomigo never join anything when he win. When Uranomigo join, listen to me. When me with Uranomigo don't communicate, since that time when he betrayed Omoyele Sowore, now disappoint him. Omoyele were not fighting for himself. He were fighting for the betterment of Nigeria, for Africa. You are fighting for yourself. That man is fighting for himself. And that man is a destroyer. That man will destroy you. Later they will go and beg Obaseki. He will be using Obaseki name to shout again. Do you remember when he said, if they don't destroy house, if they don't destroy Oshomole house, say he go die, say he go carry them go court after he come to power. After everybody contribute to Rafa AAC, when he say money no dey come again, he no discharge that party. Come say he no dey again. If na make me vex, I will get out. He dey speak colloquial American English. Tell am say if he strong, you strong, you be original. Now make you dey Naija, now make you dey Edo State make money, make you travel from that far land, from that Oyibo land when deceive us, come deck, come act fame. No be say you go dey try to dey anything when you just do, you go just carry for media, they take and they collect money. Me as I stand before you now, I no dey collect money for social media. I no get Facebook accounts. I no dey YouTube. Na life I dey do. If I do and finish, I will go rest, I will go sleep. That is how to know man. I will never do and finish now, I will go call governor. I will tell governor, say, you see what I do to you? Governor, abeg help me, give me money. Oh. I want my land to grow. If Edo State na ama, owo me ama. E woma wo na meroji, e na wo na meroye wo me. If Edo State get pipe-borne water, I will be very happy. My children will fetch for it. My neighbor's family will fetch for it. My neighbor's brother will fetch for it. My neighbor's tenant will fetch for it. Everybody will enjoy the dividends. That is the best. You have fight, you have conquer. Why do you now want to use your hand to destroy it? Government give you muta. In the Spanish, in Mandarin, Fulbright Acutity, they call it muta. When government say this place is not good, they will destroy it. And when they destroy it, you have to pay for what you have done. If I tell you lie now, go to Lagos State. The governor of Lagos State, do you know what he did recently? They don't even tell the community near Riverside for Island. The carry bulldozer come. Not be only your house you dey cry for now, only your small hotel, kitchen. Do you know how many things government have liquidated? Aerofire, which is now the Kaduna president. Do you know what Bolingo Hotel? Do it all. It destroy am. Nobody can fight government. But if you are fighting government with the truth, God will love you. If you are fighting government and government did not give you water to drink, government did not give good road, government did not give us electricity, people will join you. Not by fighting for EPM, Igbo People's Party. Oshomole is already gone. Because Oshomole have defied us. Because Oshomole told us that no man is God. And we all stick with it. Wait till I don't lose. You never lose for APC. The day when we say they announce Samobo election, injustice. Now my trailer, now take campaign. Rain fall, my equipment, everything spoil. No party. Samobo when they shout now, no give me 1 naira. Until today, my missa, when I buy for Leventis, I know how much I take buy am. Almost that time it's about 140. Understand? 1,400,000 mean everything liquidate. No government give me the money. I'm not fighting for the government. I'm fighting for the people. Government for the people, by the people. Tony Kabaka, don't shout too much. Just go early in the morning, coordinate yourself. Realize that these people that is clapping for you, Emmanuel Gbogun that is shouting so now. Why Emmanuel Gbogun no bold? Tell Obaseki say the craze. You just say Obaseki do this one and that, this one and that. Make it bold as you dey talk. Make it talk. Clap for yourself. You are a great man. You have art fame. Obaseki know say you are a man, but you have to respect yourself. Don't believe in them. They can never help you. They will only clap for you. Well, let me take down and wine. I'm telling you the truth. I want to wine. Edo we owo kan swatan oriere ogi swemo oriedo wa. Owo ama sabi wo lai wolo. Don't allow them to deceive you. They did not mean well for you. We will beg your brother to leave you alone. You are not the one that is causing the problem. Uranomigo that wanted to put you in jail in Italy, that tell the FBI that you are a terrorist, is the one that's still pushing you now. Because he no fit take and swear say he must make sure say you go become square one. And you will never be square one in Jesus' name. You will never be square one because you are a generous man. Only the day after we don't left Benin, only the day I see you, what do you do? I say I to say I be Tony Kabaka. That's why I tell my God. I say I Tony, see I see they share money, see they make people happy. I say carry conga, if they play, if they sing. I say I Tony get mind do. I say Tony, you know what to say he celebrate one hour and he still they happy with people. Say this is the kind of man I want to work with. God may favor you. If he no favor you tomorrow, quiet. Then use the little one you have. From day on, government will still even give you contract. Government will still even call you and say, ah bro, as you quiet so we like am, hold this one, tell yourself. You are the government. I am the government. Government for the people, by the people, for the people. 3G. God, government, gone. Fear them, they are mafias. They protect us, and God give authority to government to control the gun. If you hold gun without not government give you, is unlawful possession of arm, and it's a capital offense. If government authorize you, even though you are not working with government, when they see you with gun, government will tell you say na me send and say make you hold the gun. Hey boy, so you go reason. If Obaseki dey do bad now at this present time, no be you go tell me make I tell am. When Lucky Gbene don't do bad, when Nwamagbe talk to am, I tell Nwamagbe say he fuck up. When Chito Naneni, when we say Oshomole, now Chito Naneni, now be the wahala now. Now he cause this problem now when we do. Now he flag Oshomole now, ordinary tailor. When can they do like television, you know, clear. When can say now he can get a dose seat. One I can clap for now. He try to pick it come out. He carry stranger come, which is APC now, AAC, ACN, AC. Later come be APC. Come carry come. Shomole now come now. He come make Aneni square one. Then now he come again now. Say he want become Godfather. We now. He can never dictate for us in Edo State. Edo State don't wise. We are in diaspora. We are in computer age. We not be local. Man worry. Okay, wait. Let me tell you one word. Are you superior than Tompolo? Where is Tompolo? It's in exile. Government drive and command. Are you superior than Donwani? Where is Donwani now? It's in exile. They are blowing. They blow him property, blow all his cars. If you are fighting for everybody, we all will fight for you. Don't fight for yourself and your cancers. Fight for Edo State, we all will join you. Fight for the emancipation of black race, we all will join you. If Obaseki now, let's say, as you know they do well now, teachers they let me know. Say, they try. Civil servant they let me know. Say they try. Go to Ogbe Stadium. Now like that you fair meet am. Reason those things. Sit down. Why you say, oh Bob, let me reason some certain things. This governor, is he a bad man? That these people now, because of say they don't want the governor to share Ghana must go money with them. Then make her die for them. Okay, because of say you don't already get. Little you have is more than $1 million in the bush. And if you make the verse, if you drag 2 rats inside the pot, you will miss everything. You will break the pot, the 2 rats will run away. That is what is worrying you now. Don't listen to Ranomigo. Ranomigo does not mean well for you. Ranomigo does not even mean well for Edo State. Have you ever seen any person that is talking to person, he will abusing the person, abusing the father, abusing the son, abusing the daughter, abusing the village? Is that good? If I do bad, now my village do bad. If I do bad, now my pikin do bad. If I do bad, now my mama do bad. You don't ever see where person go robbery. They will kill him, papa joiner. For you, now there you go know say that man no get good mind. When I yab government, I do talk to government. That is, they call it yabbing. Fella tell me say make I yab there, yab there. We yab government. Why we are yabbing government? For them to change. Why we are yabbing government? For them to know that what they are doing is not good. We cannot say their father is a bastard. You don't ever say fella when he sing make the call Obasanjo. You say he call Obasanjo family 2.8 million naira. Yeah, money miss. They set up a choir. They say money no loss of talk. Supervisor Obasanjo. They tabaru everything. You yes, if fella say their father the grace Ogun Agbera, Ogun Agbeyu. If they want yab now, all those Benin people when be say that they talk for media, they go to say as you talk Ogun Agbera, Ogun Agbeyu, Ogun Agbeyu Kenukere, Ogun Agbeyu. It is not good. Face me when I face you. Obaseki, I have never done wrong as I stand before you. I'm not telling you it's my party. In this next election, I will not vote for APC. I'm a member of AAC, Africa Action Congress. But any man that is good, God said I should tell the man that is trying. Obaseki have done what Napoleon could not do. Oshomole no try. Oshomole waiting for do, if for relax. He tried when he was in government. He tell us say that make the drive the common say they no get level. We respect him. But as he don't come up for that power, he go seek and sit down and reason that I will not control this guy. Because when I was in power, nobody control me. If now Shomole regime you do this one, and if for day prisoner, Obaseki will pity you. Obaseki love you. He wants you to repent. That is why he's just trying to give you government. Now they play with them. If you say not allowed to talk, make I show you one example. Do you know what happened to Saro-Wiwa, King Saro-Wiwa? King Saro-Wiwa did not commit any crime that Abacha hung him. He was trying to fight for his people. On the long run, Abacha said that man is a bad man. For him to fight for people, he kill him. If you die for your people, you will be very happy. If you die for yourself and your EPM, Osagi Ezeyamu cannot rule Edo State. Just let me tell you the truth. Otherwise, because Osagi Ezeyamu is a deceiver. He deceived my brother. The day they announced Samobo election in the Northeast, Osagi Ezeyamu is the one that must manipulate that election. Everybody knows that Yakubu now win that election. Osagi Ezeyamu now go NTA, go announce.